how are you? Today in this class we are going to learn the words with short sound of I. Okay children, do you know what is the sound of I children? E. The sound of I comes as E. Okay, shall we read the words with the sound of I children? Come on, let's read. See here, what is this word? Lid. What is this? Lid. Can you hear the word I sound of I children in the middle of the word? Lid. L-I-D. Lid. So, the I sounds as E in the middle of the word. Okay children? See the next word here. K-I-D. Kid. So, kid in the middle of the word we are hearing the sound as E. Okay? K-I-D. Kid. Okay? Next. What is this word children? P-I-N. Pin. Okay? Pin. The letter of I sounds as E in the middle. So, P-I-N. Pin. Okay? Next. What is this? Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Next see here. T-I-N. Tin. Next let's see the next word children. S-I-X. Six. What is this word? Six. The number 6 sounds as E in the middle. Okay children. See here what is this? W-I-G. W-I-G. Wig. Okay. Wig. W-I-G sounds as wig in the middle. F-I-G. Fig. How is I sounding in the middle children? E. Okay children. F-I-G. Fig. Okay. Next. P-I-G. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. L-I-P. Lip. L-I-P. Lip. Okay children. Next. Z-I-P. Z-I-P. Zip. Z-I-P. Zip. What is the sound of I children? E. Okay. Can you understand? Next. What is this? B-I-B. Bib. What is this? B-I-B. Bib. Let's read once again. Lid. Kid. Pin. Bin. Tin. Six. Wig. Fig. Pig. Lip. Zip. Bib. Okay children, did you all understand the short sound of I? Thank you.